mayonnaise, and chocolate drink are example of mixtures based on their characteristic. What kind of mixture do you think they are? Suspensions are heterogeneous mixtures with particles
Suspended. Suspended.
suspended in a gas or liquid when shaken or stirred. The particles in a suspension seem to be evenly distributed throughout the mixture. However, the particles still remain visible. They are suspended within the liquid after some time. Sometimes some of the particles eventually settle at the bottom. After some time, some of the particles eventually settle at the bottom of the container. Bye-bye. Take care. Watching. I love you all.